So, excuse my stuffiness. I have really terrible allergies, and I insist on opening up my windows because it's 100 degrees outside. So, um, yeah, don't worry about me. I'm fine. But today we're doing customary units and we're doing liquids. So, we have gallons and we have fluid ounces. There are 128 fluid ounces in a gallon. It's a lot. So we're not going up to 5 this time. This time, we're just going up to 3. So we have 128 times 2. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because it's far easier to multiply than trying to do 128 times 2 in your head. So 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 2 is 4 with a 5 because of the 1. And 2 times 1 is 256. Alright, so essentially all we did, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5, 2 times 2 is 2. So that's 256, and then 128 times 3 is the next one. I'm just trying to erase all of my work. And the next one would be 384. Alright? Now, let's say this girl needs 3 gallons of lemonade, right? Ooh, sorry. I hiccuped and yawned at the same time. She needs these 3 gallons of lemonade for her lemonade sale, and she has a powder mix that makes 350 fluid ounces. Does she have enough for the powder mix? She has this much. She needs 3 gallons. Does she have enough? Is 350 enough to make 3 gallons of lemonade? Nope, definitely not. 384 is far larger than 350, so she does not have enough. And that's the reason we make this chart. That's the reason it's so easy to do things with this chart. So, let's do another one. And I'm going to draw out this chart for you guys because I think it will be helpful. Now this chart is a lot bigger than the other chart. Whoops, I fix it. So I can tell you right now that we're only going to be able to do one problem. Now, you might see that I put FO. It's because I didn't feel like writing fluid ounce out, but that's not how you write out fluid ounce. Actually, you would write it out like FL Oz. So that's how you would write fluid ounce out, but I didn't feel like writing the whole word fluid ounce, so I just put FO as a shortened abbreviation. But if I were to put this as my first question, 2 pints equals how many cups? Now, first thing we're looking for is pints. Here's a pint. Oh, 1 pint equals 2 cups. Multiply by 2 to get to 2, so this is times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 pints equals 4 cups. This is a really annoying setup, I would say, with this chart because it's so large. And because in our last chart, we only saw the unit one time. But in this chart, I have pints here, I have pints here, I essentially have pints in 3 different places. So, yes, this will be annoying, but if you match up the units that you have and the units that you're looking for, like essentially make sure if it's pint and cup, it's pint and cup in the chart, you should be fine. It's just going to be a little more difficult because of the fact that the chart is so big. But you guys will do fine, I guarantee you. Let's do another one. 3 gallons equals how many quarts? All right, again, we're gonna have to match up both. So I look for gallons. And there's quarts right there. Okay, how do I go from 1 to 3? I times 3. What do I do to the other side? Same thing, times 3. So there's 4 quarts in a gallon. So 4 times 3 is 12. Remember, what you do to one side, you do to the other side. That's all you have to do for this. Let's do another one. We'll do our last one because I think you guys are pretty good at this already. 6 quarts is how many cups? All right, quarts. Here's quarts, but that's pints. Here's quarts, and that's cups. Okay, so 1 quart is 4 cups. I have 6 quarts at the bottom. 1 times what makes 6? 6. So times 6. And I times 6 to the other side. I have 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Quick math facts. All right. Now, you guys have been doing this for the past like 5 days, so I would not be surprised if you fly through this. If you do not fly through this, that's okay. That's why we're on Google Meet, and you are more than welcome to meet with us. See you guys later.